What's going on, world? So here's a picture of the E38. September 6th, tragedy. On my way to work, this is what happened. Head-on collision at 50 miles an hour. I didn't hit the brakes at all because it kind of caught me off guard, surprise. And it was a 2014 Ford Focus. And you see what took most of the hit. And yeah, it was pretty serious. I swear the airbag deployed, cut my hand open pretty bad, which you can see the windshield's pretty mangled up. But I really enjoyed that car. I really did. Um, I walked away from it with just a little bit of scratches. Head-on collision at 50, and my head got banged up pretty bad. I'm not even gonna lie, I didn't have a seatbelt. But here's the proof. Head smashed the windshield pretty hard. But what you can see in the next picture is the visors cradled my head, hitting the windshield. And here's what my head looked like. And this is what I got at the end and walked away from it. So I thank God to be alive.